Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have two contenders in the ring, ready to battle it out for the title of the best shaver head replacement. In the left corner, we have the Braun Shaver Head Replacement Part 94M, and in the right corner, the Andis TS-1 17235 Pro Foil Lithium Titanium Foil Shaver. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top. Let's start with everyone's favorite category, price. The Braun Shaver Head Replacement Part 94M comes in at $59, while the Andis TS-1 17235 Pro Foil Lithium Titanium Foil Shaver is priced slightly higher at $67. So, if you're on a tight budget, the Braun might be the way to go. But hey, sometimes you gotta splurge for that extra shaving luxury. Now, let's talk about how easy these shaver heads are to use. The Braun 94M boasts a simple replacement process. Just click it on and you're good to go. No complicated instructions or wrestling matches with your shaver. On the other hand, the Andis TS-1 offers a no-slip rubber grip and a travel lock, ensuring a secure and convenient shaving experience. It's like having a personal barber in the palm of your hand. When it comes to performance, these shaver heads mean business. The Andis TS-1 features gold titanium foils for that extra smooth finish, perfect for even the most sensitive skin. Plus, its turbocharged motor runs at a whopping 9,000 revolutions per minute, giving you a powerful and efficient shave. Meanwhile, the Braun 94M guarantees a close shave with its precision cutting blades. It's like having a smooth operator on your face. Battery life, the unsung hero of shaver heads. The Andis TS-1 comes equipped with a lithium-ion battery that offers a remarkable 2 hours of cordless runtime. That's enough time to shave the entire cast of a Lord of the Rings movie. Meanwhile, the Braun 94M keeps it simple yet effective, running for up to 80 minutes on a single charge. So, whether you're going on an epic adventure or just need a quick touch-up, both options have you covered. The Braun Shaver Head Replacement Part 94M and the Andis TS-1 17235 Pro Foil Lithium Titanium Foil Shaver have battled it out, but only one can claim the title of the best shaver head replacement. Ultimately, it comes down to your personal preferences and budget. Whichever one you choose, you'll be on your way to a clean and smooth shave. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Buy Smart for more product comparisons, and as always, stay smart and happy shopping.